Discipline equals freedom, my friends. Hope you're having a great weekend. Just got done with a workout out here in the woods. Ran a couple miles, did some calisthenics. Feeling great. And just wanted to give a quick shout out to one of my coaching clients who just texted me and let me know that in their first week in the business, flipping diabetic test strips, flipping medical commodities, they had their first invoice for $1,400 and in fact made over $1,000 profit. I mean, congratulations, shout out to Brian, that's freaking incredible. That's way better than I did starting out the gates. Then again, I didn't have, I wasn't working with a coach one-on-one. So that is one of the benefits, with having a coach and working with someone one-on-one, although it may seem, like expensive. I mean, which really my coaching fee is practically nothing. The benefit is how much time you'll save. You're going to shorten your learning curve. Instead of going through all the trial and error and taking a couple of months to get to that kind of income, you can do it in your first week, because I've been there, done that, and so I can teach you exactly what to do, what not to do, so that you can get results right out the gate. In fact, a lot of people that I'm working with are making money in their first day, which is just, blowing me away. And I really appreciate you guys informing me and texting me, to let me know your results, because that lets me know that I'm doing a good job in coaching you guys. I think most people who coach with me will say that, I pour my heart and soul, into our sessions. I really, I answer all your questions and I give you a lot of great advice, not just fluff BS, but, I point you in the right direction because I genuinely want to see the people who are investing in coaching with me to get good results. It's a rewarding feeling. I don't need the money from coaching. You guys, if you follow my channel, I have a lot of businesses. I don't need coaching. It's just kind of, it's just a fulfilling thing to do, to help other people. It's rewarding. It's beyond the money. It's just, helping out. I do enjoy it. I enjoy working with people that want to help themselves. So, I know I've been a little bit slow this week, and I'm getting a lot more people that are filling out applications to coach with me, and I appreciate that. Sorry I've been a little bit slow. Today I caught up with a bunch of you guys, the applications, just the past couple of days. I was just kind of overwhelmed with work and business, and sometimes I just want to unplug and not check my emails and things like that. So today being Sunday, I had some more time to get caught up on things, but just know that if you do fill out a coaching application with me, I try my best to respond back to you within 24 hours, but sometimes if it takes me a day or two, or probably 3 at the absolute most, but typically within 24 hours, 90% of the time, then just, I promise you I will get back to you. I will never just ignore the application unless I can tell from your application that you're just not someone that I want to work with, which I do get some of those people who, they write on the application that they're not serious, or just they don't want to invest and have to pay for coaching. Well, then I'm not going to waste my time getting back to you. So, but those who actually, I can tell from your application you're serious about coaching and want to make money and improve yourself, then yeah, definitely, I'm going to get back to you relatively quickly. So, hope you're all having a great week, hope you're all having a great day, a great weekend, let's make it a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. And just remember, guys, discipline equals freedom. And freedom equals happiness. All right, and the real purpose of life, if you think about it, is to be happy. It's simple to be happy, and whatever you got to do to be happy. But it doesn't matter about materialistic bull crap, getting any kind of title, how much money you make. Doesn't really matter about any of that. What matters is to be happiness. To be happy. But if you're a slave to unhealthy addictions, you're a slave to the system, a slave to a job you hate, you're a slave to society, you're a slave to a relationship with someone that you hate, you're a slave, then you're not really going to be free. But it first starts with discipline. From having good discipline brings freedom, and freedom, my friends, equals happiness. Hope you're all having a great day. Next time, see ya.